Guys, please remember to watch the video until to the end. That's how I was able to cook the chicken. So please remember, watch the video to the end so I'm able to cook more chicken and more chicken videos. So guys, remember to subscribe. That's how I'll be able to buy the chicken so I could cook it. Remember.
Break yourself, fool. They say male or female. We said hell yeah.
Sizzle in the pan, hear the garlic pop. Onions dancing while the flavors drop. Coconut milk, let it pour so nice. Stir it up with jasmine rice. Clean beans fresh, cut and clean. Cooking slow, keeping it lean. Thyme and scallion bring the vibe. Healthy veggie lovers, mealtime tribe. Ooh, flavor in the pot, let it simmer low. Brown sugar bubbling, watch it glow. Chicken in the stew, seasoned right. Rice and coconut, shining bright. Ooh, flavor in the pot, come take a bite. Dinner so good, we vibing tonight.